Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be building a V8 solenoid engine, and I'm going to be using mostly 3D printed parts, and I actually filmed the entire building process, so if you want to follow along with that you can. For those of you that want to build this at home, I left all the STL files down in the description. Just be sure to watch out for any of the little parts that I use throughout the process, like nuts, bolts, magnets. If you have a question about any of the parts I use, just leave a comment down in the description. So first I'm going to be breaking up the building process into parts, and then I'm going to get into the physics of why this thing works, the solenoid effect, and then I'm going to be testing it out. So let's get right into it.
la 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 la.
Hey guys, so I'm going to quickly demonstrate how electromagnetic induction works. So the law of induction basically states that if you have a current passing through a coiled wire, it is going to produce an electromagnetic field. So as you can see, I have a coil of wire and it's wrapped clockwise. This is going to be my starting point, this is going to be my end, and I'm going to hook this up to a battery to demonstrate EMF, or electromotive force. If we use the right hand rule, if I turn my hand in the direction of the current, the EMF is going to point this way. So my end point is going to be negative. My starting point is going to be positive. So if we close the circuit, there will be an electromotive force acting on this magnet in this direction. And that's basically the principle behind solenoid engines. They just use electromagnetic induction to produce mechanical motion. Now I'm going to finish setting up the coils. Well, that concludes this video. Thank you for watching. I gotta say, I had a lot of fun with this project, but it was a little slower than I thought it was going to be, just because of how much friction was involved within the moving parts, and also just the weight of the pistons themselves. They were pretty heavy, but I still had a lot of fun with it, and there are going to be a lot more builds on the way, so stay tuned.